What's happening, Mellow Marine fans? This is Pi Mokar, the sales manager here at Mellow Marine, and today we are in the all-new 2024 RI265 by Centurion Boats. Let's take a look. So here we are now sitting in the helm of this RI265 by Centurion Boats, and as you can see, we have a full wraparound display here in the helm with two 12-inch screens, a nice wireless phone charger and holder, as well as your external head unit for stereo. Keeping the basis with the front end of this boat, as you can see, we do newly have a new trash can accessory right here for 2024 products, as well as your secondary trash can behind me right here. So moving a little bit further on too, next thing I want to show you guys is this all new Predator Power Tower by Roswell Marine. And as you can see, you have your control for up and down right here, which you can utilize on the fly or while you're sitting still. But as you can see, it has an all new mechanism that is unseen by the entire industry, and Centurion and Roswell Marine have put something together that is absolutely extraordinary and a super cool way to have a tower system actuate up and down. As you can see, I can let it sit at any position I want at any time, again, while either idling around, hanging out, listening to music, or while I'm on the go surfing and riding with my riders behind me. Now moving through the boat, and as you can see, on top of this Predator Power Tower, we do have the Wet Sound Warrior system by Wet Sounds, as well as Roswell's all new bimini top specifically made for this Predator Power Tower, which is a bimini top that you never need to take down, but you do have two convertible entrances on the front, then also these little storage spots on the back end. As well, you do have these Roswell 2.0 board rats, which also include a full-size flag as well as your orange flag for safety purposes, holders on the end. And then as you see here, we have one of these follow vests tucked in right there. Great way to dry off your vest without getting everyone inside the boat wet. Moving on here a little bit, again, as you can see, new for 2024 is this topo stitching in your seats. This is only available on the Warrior package for RI series. If you don't get this, you do have another stitching which you can see in some of our other videos. This unit specifically too is also equipped with our ZR7, which is a 7.4 liter 500 horsepower motor, which for a beast like this takes on any type of body of water, whether you're up the hill, down the hill at elevation. You're going to be suited for all different type of riding needs. So that's a wrap for this quick little walkthrough of this 2024 RI265. We're going to load up some ballast and now surf, and you'll be able to catch a couple clips of those within this video. Let's go ride.